It's late Saturday afternoon, July the 1st, 2023, and I've just started a 3-night backpacking trip in the northern district of Cherokee National Forest. This trip started at Camp Creek Bald, and I've got a little short walk down an old logging road to the Appalachian Trail. Then I'm going to go south on the Appalachian Trail for a short distance to a campsite. It is a beautiful day, mostly clear, although there's a little bit of smoke from the Canadian fires, and the temperature is in the mid-70s. Pretty campsite last night with a good water source. I've camped there several times over the years. I'm not sure what the plan is today. I'm on the Appalachian Trail going north. I'll probably go to Jerry Cabin and then figure out what I'm going to do. May continue past that or go down Sarvis Cove Trail. It is mostly cloudy. In fact, for a while this morning it got pretty dark and I thought it was going to rain. But no rain so far, and the temperature's in the upper 60s. You guys have a great day.
Thank you too.
All right, I walked a little ways north of Jerry Cabin Shelter to a campsite I stayed at before. There was 7 people at the shelter, and in addition to that I saw 6 backpackers and 2 day hikers. Not too bad for the AT on the 4th of July weekend. It was a beautiful day, mostly cloudy, a little bit warm, a lot of humidity, a little thunder every now and then, and some big rocky sections along Firescald Knob. Lots of rocky ups and downs, places you had to use your hands. Slow going for about 1.5 miles. As soon as I got my shelter set up last night, it started raining. Hard wind, rained for about an hour, then it quit. This morning, it started raining about 7:30, rained for a couple hours. Since then, it's been heavily clouded, dark at times. Looks like it could rain at any moment. But anyway, the temperature is about 68 degrees. The plan today, day 3, is to backtrack south on the Appalachian Trail to the Jerry Miller Trail and then go down the Jerry Miller Trail and camp tonight. Although that plan may be fluid, we'll just see. Nothing's definite. Yesterday I took the exposed ridge line over Firescald Knob. Today I'm going to take the bad weather trail. right, I'm camping at a site that I camped at 20 plus years ago, although we camped on a logging road that kind of veers off northeast of this site. And somewhere along that logging road there was a spring, but the logging road was really overgrown. Looked like it was going to be a fight to get to the spring, so I just continued down the trail for about a quarter of a mile, filled up with water, and came back up to this site. Rained for just a little while today, cleared off this afternoon. A lot of solitude today. Didn't see anyone. Just hiked out to Baxter Cliff for the first time. The sign for Baxter Cliff Trail is relatively new. It's been about 10 years since I've been down the Jerry Miller Trail, and the sign was not there. In fact, I don't ever recall even seeing this trail, so either it was an old trail that was just really overgrown, or else it's a new trail. And it appears that the same group that's maintaining the Jerry Miller Trail is also maintaining this trail. The plan today is to take Jerry Miller Trail back to the AT, south on the AT, then cut over to Jones Meadow and go through Jones Meadow and Camp Creek Bald back to my car. It rained for a little bit last night after I got under the quilt, but it is a gorgeous day, mostly clear, and the temperature's in the low 70s. Almost back to my car. I only saw 2 people today. until I got to Jones Meadow and Camp Creek Bald. Then I saw lots of people. Did a section of the AT I haven't done in a few years. Jerry Miller Trail I haven't done in 10 years. Baxter Cliffs, never been there before. And it's probably been 20 years since I've been to Blackstack Cliffs. Anyway, great trip. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.